What's the meaning of benzene? Benzene. Benzene.
Benzine. Benzine. Benzene, also known as benzene, is a colorless liquid hydrocarbon compound that is highly flammable and volatile. It is widely used in the production of plastics, synthetic fibers, dyes, detergents, and many other chemicals. Benzene is a cyclic aromatic compound that consists of 6 carbon atoms arranged in a hexagonal ring, with alternating double bonds. It has a sweet odor and is known to be carcinogenic, which means it can cause cancer. Exposure to high levels of benzene can result in damage to the nervous system, liver, kidneys, and respiratory system. Due to its harmful effects, many countries have implemented regulations to limit its usage and exposure.